Well, you asked for it. 6 wigs, 6 minutes, push edition. Hey guys, welcome back in. Well, today on our little series You Asked For It, we're going to look at push hair from Wig Studio One. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Let me tell you a little bit about this, and keep in mind the 6 minutes doesn't start until I start showing the wigs. But I've got a lot of new subscribers, so I want to kind of explain what I do. Every few weeks I do a series that I call You Asked For It, and it is purely from questions and comments I get from you. And I have been getting so many comments about push hair by Wig Studio One. So let me tell you about it. If you are not familiar with push hair, Wig Studio One collaborated with Beltress to make some heat-friendly synthetics, and that is what I'm going to show you today. And they are wonderful. So they're made with heat-friendly fibers, Beltress fibers, in Beltress most popular colors. So it's going to be fun. I have videos on all of these wigs already on my channel. So if you see one of these wigs you want to know more about, just type the name of the wig into the search bar of my channel and the video will pop right up, and it'll have cap construction, indoor and outdoor lighting, discussion of color, all the things are in the full videos. That's not what this is. This is a quick overview of some of my push hair collections. So let's get started. If you have any questions about push hair, don't hesitate to reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And of course, all these wigs were supplied by Wig Studio One. Let's get started and look at my push collection. We're going to start out with one of my favorites. This is Amelie, and the color I have is Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. I love this wig. I've shown it to you so many times. Just a low density, beautifully made bob. I think the length of this is perfect. I love everything about it. Amelie. This is Nicolette in Butterbeer Blonde. Now you know Nicolette is very similar to John Renault at night, but without the permatease. This is such a cute wig. Look at the length of this. The density is low, has beautiful features. Oh, I love it, Nicolette. For those of you who love a little longer style, don't forget about Bernadette Mocha with Cream. Look at this beautiful style. Oh, these waves. This is made so beautifully with the waves going away from the face. I love that feature, whether or not they don't fall into your face. They go away. This is gorgeous. This has so much movement. This is just a beautiful style. Look at this highlighting. Y'all, don't forget, have a look at this one. If you're wanting something a little longer, look at this. It just looks like a full head of healthy hair. Now, if you saw my top wigs of 2024, you know that Juliette was at the top of the list. Oh my goodness, one of my all-time favorite styles, Juliette Pumpkin Pie Spice R. Again, beautiful low density bob. I have Juliette in 3 different colors. I like it that much. It has a bang. It has a beautiful silhouette. Don't miss out on this one. One of the most popular styles in the push line is Yvette in Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. Everything about this I love. This length is great. If you are new to heat-friendly fibers, you might enjoy something that this length. It won't rub on your collar. You won't have to be constantly doing something to it. This is beautiful. Look, just a little wave. This has a lot of personality, I think, this wig. And look at this gorgeous color. I feel like this will work on most face shapes as well due to the length of this. Y'all, grab this wig. Now this one's very similar to the one we just looked at, but I feel like this is Celine and my color is Butterbeer Blonde. I kind of really, this has more of a bang than the other did. This is a little more choppy, a little more beachy wave. I think this would be a great addition to your spring and summer wig wardrobe. I like the ease of this. I like the messiness of this. I just think this is very wearable. and I love this color. Okay guys, that's what I have today for you, a short overview of some push pieces. I'm going to put a code in the drop down box of this video. You can use my code over at WIGS Studio One to save on all your favorite brands and styles, so be sure to do that. Leave me some comments. Tell me, have you tried any of the push pieces? If you have, which ones, what colors? I can't wait to hear all about it. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.